Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for social media ads with Facebook. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook homepage. Log into your Facebook account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the menu on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the downward facing arrow to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Manage Ads from the options listed. This will take you to the Ads Manager interface. If you haven't created an ad account yet, you'll see an option to set one up. Click on the Create Ad Account button. Fill in your account details, including your country, currency, and time zone. Review and confirm your information to proceed. Next, navigate back to the Ads Manager dashboard. Click on the Create button to start a new advertisement. Choose your marketing objective from the list provided. Options may include brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. Once you select your objective, click Continue to advance. Now, name your campaign and set your budget for the advertisement. You have the option to choose between a daily or lifetime budget. Scroll down to the Audience section. Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and behaviors. Once your audience is set, proceed to the Placements section. Choose whether to let Facebook automatically place your ads, or select manual placements. After making your placements selection, continue to the Budget and Schedule section. Confirm your budget and schedule details, including start and end dates. Next, you'll move to the Ad Format section. Choose the format that best suits your campaign, such as a single image or video. Upload your media files directly from your device. Add the text and links you want to include in your ad. Ensure your call to action is clear and inviting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.